Are you aware that Google is offering free career certificates? Here you are. So Google Career Certificates. Flexible online training programs designed to earn job-ready skills in high-growth careers such as data analytics, digital marketing, e-commerce, IT support, project management, and UX design, available on Coursera.com. We surely need no relevant experience or degree requirements. Here I'll take you one-on-one. Help everyone unlock new opportunities. No experience necessary. Learn at your own pace. It's completely online. Online. Stand out to employees, and also their scholarship. About 150,000 scholarships available. So I'll take you through the Google Career Certificates. You can engage in data analytics. Data analytics, once you engage in data analytics, here is what data analytics entails. Data analytics entails, and you enroll for free. You will have a 6 months and a 10-hour study a week. We have different levels. You can engage in either beginner level, where you have no experience or no prior knowledge to the course. You can be able to learn it. Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. This is your path to a career in data analytics. In the program, you will learn in-demand skills that will have job ready in less than 6 months. No degree required or experience required. What we can see that they are about 483,000 US job ready opens in data analytics, and the medium salary for somebody who has completed data analytics and has the data analytics professional certificate is $89,000. So 75% of Google certificate grants report career improvement. So that is it. The skills that you will be able to gain in data analytics is in the spreadsheet, data cleansing, data analytics, data visualization, SQL, questioning, decision making, problem solving, metadata, data analytics, data ethics, and sample determination. So we'll go to the other Google Career Certificate. Once we are done with that, we'll go to digital marketing and e-commerce. Use online platforms to reach consumers. So I'll take you one-on-one through the professional certificates in the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Okay, this one is for the professional certificate. Let us go to the other one, that is the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional. We said in less than 6 months you'll have skills that you will be ready for a job. We'll see the here you can see the top instructors. So you enrolling for free. Once you click enroll for free, you will be able to sign up with your Gmail account, and from your desk at any time. We are saying that it's completely online program at your own terms. You learn at your own pace. So let us look at the digital marketing e-commerce, what it entails. Get started in the in-demand fields in digital marketing and e-commerce with professional certificates from Google. Learn to manage digital market campaigns. Attract and engage customers. Measures through analytics. We can see the medium salary for a digital marketer is $57,000, and the job openings in the US, we have around 215,000 spaces. So these are very marketable skills. The skills that you'll gain from the digital marketing and e-commerce professional certificates will help you manage digital marketing campaigns, attract and engage customers, measure performance through analytics. We'll get skills that you can gain is marketing, e-commerce, display advertising, email marketing, search engine optimization, customer IoT, market analytics, customer outreach, website structures, Google and search engine marketing. Prepare a new career in the high growth of digital marketing e-commerce in under 6 months. No experience, no degree required. Businesses need digital marketing e-commerce talent more than before. 86% of business leaders report that digital commerce will be the most important route to growth. So I think that is enough. Let us go to the other course being offered in the Google career certificates. We'll go to IT support. If you're interested in solving problems of being IT specialist in troubleshooting problems, so computer or running networks correctly, here you are. We'll go to the certifications. The certification here it is. Let us wait. Google IT professional IT support professional certificate. We can see it is for free, and we have been told that getting started in the in-demand field of IT with a professional certificate in Google with Google earns you an opportunity of a medium salary of $56,000, and job openings in support with IT support is around 500 plus. And we can see that common job titles that you will be able to get after you have achieved the Google IT support professional certificate. The title that you'll be able to get is IT specialist, technology support specialist, or or support specialist. And we'll be able to get the skills that you'll be able to learn is skills like debugging, inscription of algorithm techniques, customer service, network protocols, computer cloud computing, binary codes, customer support, Linux, troubleshooting, domain name system, DNS, IPv4 network model. About this certificate is that 75% of Google career certificates graduates in United States report an improvement in the career trajectory. So you'll be able to gain required skills in the entry level of IT job. We'll go to the other skill being offered in this platform, and it is being offered for free. Today, as I woke up in the morning, I found that get qualified for in-demand jobs with Google IT certificates. Now we are getting qualified with in-demand jobs with Google certificates, and we said these Google certificates are being offered for free. We'll go to project management. We see what project management entails, and maybe how much they are being paid, and maybe what is the career opening. We can see here you will be able to get Google project management professional certificate. Start your growth with career with the project management. Once you are done with this course, we said you'll enroll for free, and we say the common job titles that you'll get after completing Google project management professional certificates are careers like project manager, project coordinator, and IT support manager. We see getting started in demand field of project management with a professional certificate from Google. Learn how to manage project using traditional agile methods, create project documentation, and develop strategic communication skills. So we said medium salary for that you'll get is $6,800. I think that is per year. And the job openings, this one has the maximum job openings of 715 opportunities. Once you are done with the Google project management professional certificate, and it is being offered for free, you will be able to how to manage projects using traditional agile methods, using create projects, documentation, and develop strategies, documentation skills. These are the skills that you'll be able to get. Organization culture, career development, strategic thinking, change management, project management, stakeholder management, business writing, project character, project planning, risk management, task estimation, and procurement. And that is good for today. We'll review the last thing that we said by 2022. Google promised to train 10 million people in Africa with digital skills that will help them grow their career in business. That is a live confession from the Mati Britan, president of the EMEA Business and Operation Google. We can see their certifications here. We can see to date, with the Google initiative in Africa has helped over 5 million people gaining new skills, but it also does much further than training, with significant growth to career, business, and African economy. So the last thing, we'll go to the last certificate being offered for free, is in the UX design. Let us see what skills are being offered in the UX design. We can see some of the job titles that you'll get as a UX designer after completing the Google UX design. Google UX design professional certificates. We can say that with no degree and experience required, in less than 6 months you'll have a job opportunity. On the common job titles that you will get is user experience UX designer, UI designer, UX researcher, and I think we will be good to go. We can see the skills that you'll get after you've completed the Google UX design professional certificate is that skills that you'll gain is user experience UX researcher, wireframe, prototype, user design, user testing, mop-up, Figma, Adobe X, UX design job. So we can say that learn UX foundations and gain experience with the design processing, include how to build wireframes and prototypes to conduct user research and test your design. We can see this is the best and the most technical job being paid $111, and job openings in US is 139 plus. We can see you will earn the certificates, and you will start with the beginner level of no prior experience required, 6 months under 10 hours work study, and you'll be good to go. We can see the number of people who have enrolled, so just be sure that people are really up to date. They really need these skills for being competition. Thank you for sticking with me. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I was giving a new update of Google career certificates, where you will be able to flexible online training program designed to earn job ready skills in high growth careers. And it is been done for free, as we have seen in all the platforms. Being starting with Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. Then we go to Google Digital Marketing E-commerce Certificate. We also get Google IT Support Professional Certificate. You enroll for free in less than 6 months with no degree. With experience, you'll be ready for a job. And from then we'll go to we get to Google Project Management Professional Certificates. And lastly is Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Thank you for sticking with me. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Get free certificates from Google Career Certificates. Thank you.